Imagine this, it's 1 year from now, you wake up, check your phone and see new subscribers, new comments and a YouTube payout that actually matters. And you did it all with a faceless YouTube channel. No camera on your face, no worrying how you look, just smart videos working for you. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to start a faceless YouTube channel in 2026 and set it up to make money. Short, simple and ready to use for voiceover. First, decide what your channel will be about. For a faceless channel, pick something that works well without showing your face. Here are two strong options: top 10 and facts. For example, interesting facts, lists and curiosities. AI and tools. For example, simple tutorials on useful apps and AI tools. Choose one niche you can make at least 30 to 50 videos about. Staying focused helps YouTube understand who should see your content. Step 2. Choose your voice style. You won't be on camera, but you still need a voice. You have two choices: use your own voice and record voiceovers, or use an AI voice to read your script. If you're shy or don't like recording, start with an AI voice. If you're comfortable speaking, your own voice can feel more personal. Pick the option you can stay consistent with. Step 3. Basic tools you need. You don't need expensive gear. Here's enough to start: a computer or a phone, a screen recorder such as OBS Studio on PC or a built-in recorder, a simple video editor like CapCut, VN, or DaVinci Resolve visuals such as stock footage, screenshots, or AI images. If you use your own voice, a basic microphone or wired earphones are okay. If you use an AI voice, you only need the script. Step 4. Create your YouTube channel. Now, set up the channel itself. Sign into YouTube with your Google account. Click your profile picture and choose Create a Channel. Pick a short name that matches your niche. For example, something like Daily Fact Hub or AI Tool Guide. Add a simple logo as your profile picture, made quickly in Canva. A basic banner using a YouTube banner template. A short description, for example, I make faceless videos about your topic. New videos every week, that's enough to start. Now go to Canva and create a log. Search for templates that are good for the logo and customize the logo to fit your niche. When you are done customizing the logo, click on the share button and hit download. After downloading the logo, return to your YouTube channel and upload it from your computer to set it as your channel logo. If you're using a mobile phone, please let me know in the comments section and I'll guide you step by step. Next, set your channel banner. Go back to Canva, choose the right YouTube banner template and customize it to match your channel. Once you're done, download the banner, return to your YouTube channel and upload it as your channel banner. After downloading the channel banner from Canva, upload it to your YouTube channel. Once everything is set, including the channel name, click Publish to save your changes. Once you finish clicking publish, go to view channel to see the changes you have saved, and congratulations, you now have a brand new channel ready to start your content creation. Step 5. Plan 10 video ideas. Before you edit anything, write down 10 video ideas. For a facts channel, you might do one video with surprising facts about a topic people already like. Another video with a top 10 list related to that same topic. For an AI tools channel, you might do one video showing a single tool in detail. Another video comparing two tools. Keep it simple. One clear topic per video. Step 6. Write a short script. Now pick your first idea and write a short script. Use this structure. Hook. 1 or 2 sentences that create curiosity. Example. Most people have never heard of this simple tool, but it can save you hours every week. Promise. What the viewer will get. In this video, I'll show you how it works and how you can start using it today. Step 7. Record or generate the voice. Turn your script into audio. If you use your own voice, record in a quiet room. Speak clearly and just a little slower than normal. If you make a mistake, pause and repeat the sentence. You'll cut the mistakes out later. If you use an AI voice, paste your script into the voice generator, choose a natural sounding voice, and export the audio file. This audio track is the base of your video. Main points. Explain your topic in clear steps or a short list. Call to action. One line at the end. If this helped, subscribe for more faceless YouTube tips and tools. Keep your sentences short so an AI voice can read them smoothly. Step 8. Add visuals and edit. Open your video editor and import your audio. Now add visuals that match what you say. For tools or apps, use screen recordings while you use the website or software. For facts, use relevant stock footage or images. Add short text on the screen for main points and change the visuals every few seconds so the video doesn't feel static. Then clean up the video. Cut silent parts and mistakes. Make sure audio volume is stable. Optional. Add soft background music at low volume. Export the video in full HD. Step 9. Title, thumbnail and upload. Create a clear, clickable title. Combine the topic with a small curiosity. For example, 5 simple AI tools you should try in 2026. 10 facts about topic you didn't know. Make a thumbnail in Canva. Big text, 3 to 5 words. One strong image, high contrast colors. Here's your action plan. Choose one faceless friendly niche. Create your channel. Write 10 video ideas. Write a short script for video 1. Generate or record the voice. Add simple visuals. Upload. Then repeat the process. If you tell me your niche and whether you'll use your own voice or an AI voice, I can craft a custom hook and first 20 seconds of script specifically for your first video. Step 10. Post consistently for 90 days. Success won't come from one video. Aim for 30 to 50 videos. Choose a schedule, 1 video per week or 2 videos per week if you can stay consistent for at least 90 days. Each video will teach you what works and what doesn't. Step 11. How a faceless channel makes money. As your views grow, your channel can earn in several ways. First, through YouTube ads. Once you qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, you'll need enough watch time and subscribers, and then YouTube pays you for ads on your videos. Second, through affiliate marketing. You recommend tools or products related to your niche, place your affiliate links in the description, and earn a commission when viewers buy through your links. Later, you can add simple digital products or even sponsorships, but ads and affiliate links are usually the first income sources.